If you need to set up billing contact details in Namecheap or add a payment card so you can check out faster, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up billing contact information in Namecheap step by step so you can save your card, choose the correct billing contact, and complete your orders without confusion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your profile area and open Profile. From there, go to Billing. This is where Namecheap keeps your payment and billing settings. In the Billing section, select Payment Cards. If you want to add a new card, click Add New. Now you'll see the card entry form. Carefully type in your payment card details, including the card number, expiration date, security code, and any other required information. After that, enter the billing address exactly as it appears on your card statement. This is important because the billing address has to match the payment method for the card to work properly. Take your time here and double-check everything before moving on. A small typo in the card number or address can cause checkout problems later. Once all the details are filled in, click Save Changes. That will store the payment card in your Namecheap account and make it available for future purchases. After your card is saved, the next important part happens during checkout. When you're buying a domain, hosting plan, or any other Namecheap service, you'll reach the Billing Contact Information section. Here, review the contact details carefully. Namecheap may show one or more saved billing contacts, so make sure you select the correct one before finishing your order. This step matters because the billing contact determines which name, email, and address are used for the purchase. If you manage multiple contacts or business details, choosing the right one keeps everything organized and avoids issues with invoices or payment records. So before you complete the order, pause for a moment and confirm that the billing contact information is correct. Once you've selected the right saved contact and verified the details, go ahead and complete the checkout process. That's it. Your billing contact and payment card are now set up in Namecheap, and you'll be ready to make future purchases much faster. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Namecheap tutorials, website setup guides, and easy step-by-step tech help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.